All right, we got Debbie here this morning. 65 years young. I had the pleasure of doing a mass facelift for her 6 years ago. It held up pretty good. She started showing some laxity of neck. Back then, I didn't remove any submandibular glands. Now I'm going to do that. In addition to that, I'm going to do a preservation face and neck lift. And when I lift this up, I need to lift up the brow also at once. So I do a endoscopic style brow lift, preservation deep plane face and neck lift, some fat grafting to the temple, to the cheeks, the nasolabial fold, and I reduce a little bit of the buccal fat, and these are the glands that I'm going to reduce. Tightening these muscles, and finally I'm going to do lip lift. As you can see, these lines are for lip lift. I'm very excited to take care of this young lady.